Hello intrepid traders, happy Saturday afternoon, and what's going on? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you'll find value from this post, and if you did, please give it a like and consider following. So here's our trading idea, but firstly, here's a disclaimer. Trading at your own risk is your responsibility. This post or chart is for your reference only. It is not intended as a recommendation, nor is it an advice to sell nor buy this crypto asset, nor to place any trade using this video or information right here. This is strictly educational. Trading poses a risk of losing some or all of the money that you put in your trade, and it will be your responsibility if you lose the money. Okay, so with that said and moved out of the way, let us get into this trade. So I have drawn here a red bar right at around 30,200, 30,300 to 30,400. Okay, so Bitcoin is now riding and staying above the 120 EMA, which is this white line or white EMA right here. And the stochastic RSI indicator, as I have pointed down here with the green arrows, is showing a bullish momentum. As you can see, it is now it has a higher high and another higher high right here, which when compared to the price action has a good correlation at this time of writing or time of reviewing this chart. What then is the next thing to expect? Price action must break the 30,400 level, which is the resistance right now, as you can see right here. Let's show you right there. That is around $30,450. So Bitcoin is above this 120 EMA, and it has hit this resistance, this red bar, and it should, if it does push up past beyond this red bar, it breaks that red bar, it might retest this. Okay, it might find support at that level, and if it does find support at the 30,400 level, at this level, and Bitcoin is expected to push towards the target zone right above at the green bar right here, which is around 33,700 to 33,800. This is the target area. The MACD indicator right here, it'll also reflect the fast MA or the blue moving average as pushing towards the zero level, going towards the positive zone. So as this breaks this EMA or the moving average of the MACD, will push right above the 0% level as Bitcoin starts to break the red bar right here. This is the resistance. So what do we watch out for? Support. We watch out for support. We watch for support. Watch the 120 EMA right here. Watch that level. It must be respected as support when price dips towards that 29,600 level, which Bitcoin will likely to do to create a retest of support and eventually create a bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame on the MACD indicator. So the strategy, my strategy here would be plan A, buy at the 120 EMA dip right here. This should hold the support right here, and if it does, as it bounces up, we know that there's a confirmation when it creates a higher high. somehow like this. It should look like this. So it goes down here, then it bounces up and creates a higher high right here, this area. If that is confirmed and creates another push up and another retest right there, then that is confirmation of the support from the 120 EMA. Then Bitcoin will be likely to create a retest of that support and eventually create a bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame on the MACD indicator. So if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, you should see a dip. If this price action continues to dip towards this area right here, then this is a lower low, and if that is a lower low, then we should expect a rebound if we have a bullish divergence against the MACD. So if we find a bullish divergence right here, then that is a positive buy signal right there. See, let's put this action right here. So if it does this, if it pushes up and creates a bullish divergence against the price action, this is bullish. As price dips down, the MACD does not have that bearish momentum. That means that the bears, the sellers, have lost their steam, and therefore it will start pushing up. Okay, that is the scenario for the 1 hour. So you want to check that lower time frame as price dips towards the 120 EMA. All right, so the next plan, so that will be the plan A, buying at the 120 EMA dip and watching for the bullish divergence as price dips down towards the 120 EMA. So you got to check the 1 hour time frame, go down to the lower time frame. Plan B is to buy the rebound off the red bar. So if price pushes up instead of down, if it doesn't dip down here, if it pushes up, then the buy will be right here as it bounces off. The buy would be at this level. When price rebounds off this red bar right here. So if you're looking to accumulate Bitcoin, well, then the way to do it will be to do DCA, or dollar cost averaging, buying as it gets cheaper and cheaper. So hope you are able to find some ideas for your strategies here. Remember, no emotions, stick to your rules. Manage your account, use 5% of your trading capital, and that's enough to use in a single trade, so you're guaranteed to stay in the game. Price action is always king. Patience and discipline are keys to a successful trade. Trading is both a science and an art. Develop an intuition and listen to your instinct while following the rules, putting emotion aside. If you have not developed it yet, you will develop this as long as you stay consistent with the following your rules. The skills will become second nature to you, much like how you acquired a skill in riding a bicycle. Soon it will be subconscious, and your subconscious is running your trades. Again, much like when riding a bicycle, the balancing is controlled all by the subconscious part of your brain. Be persistent and stay persistent. Hit me up with any of your questions. We'll be glad to answer them. Thank you for sticking with me in this video. More power to all of your trades. This is Ron Sibayan, the Intrepid Trader. Thank you for watching. See you soon.